Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in today's video I am going to review CA Praveen Khator sir's costing book, that is for CA final new syllabus SCMPE, and along with that I am also going to review his notes which he uses in the class and makes us prepare. So first of all, if we talk about the books, so there are a total of 3 books. Now it might be 2 because he might have merged these 2 practical books in one book and theoretical book is separate. So in this practical chapters book, the pattern is like, first of all, the theoretical part relating to the practical chapters is given in a very attractive manner. It becomes very easy to revise and learn, and then the practical questions are given relating to application of that part. Certain solved questions are also given, like you can see this is solved at the back, and certain solved questions are also given, the solution of which is given after the homework questions here. So you can see the pattern, and then certain case studies are also given in this book only relating to that chapter, and then the homework questions are given which are given to us for solving at our home. These are not discussed in class except certain complex questions which may be discussed in class. After that, you will find that solution to these questions which are given in this front side are given as I told earlier. The pattern is same for all the chapters, like you can see standard costing chapter. Here also, first of all, the theoretical part is given and the formulas and all, so you can revise it from here. After that, the basic examples are given so that you can improve your basic application of these formulas, and then the comprehensive and complex questions are given. So the best thing I like is that it moves from easy to difficult, so it becomes very easy to understand the concepts as well as apply them. And at the last, this log table is given and anti-log table is given as appendix. Then talking about this theoretical chapters book, this is separate. In this, all the theoretical chapters are given, like cost management technique, modern business environment and all. In this also, first of all, the concepts are given. They are presented in the form of tables, charts. You can see comparison tables. Questions are also given after every concept. This is the best part, you can see. And then the practical questions are given, you can see, relating to the application of that theoretical part. Case studies are also given relating to the particular chapter in this section only. Same pattern is there for every chapter. You can see the presentation is very nice. The pictorial presentation is given, and then the detailed points are written here. For case studies, separate chapter is there which is also in the study material. Here, first of all, the case study is given, and after that only the solution to that case study is given. He discusses all the case studies in the class itself. You can see here. For every chapter, first of all, the theory is given, and then the questions are given at the end. You can see here. So this book is also very nice. The third book, this is a printing mistake. SFM is printed, but it is actually SCMPE book. In this also, first of all, the theoretical part is given of a particular practical chapter, and then the questions are given. He also tells certain memory techniques to learn the concepts. In standard costing chapter, as we saw, the same pattern is here in relevant costing also. Certain basic examples are given, and then the comprehensive and complex questions are given. Then moving on to the class notes. So there are 2 copies, one is for concept and one is for question answers. So in this concept copy, all the concepts are given along with the basic examples relating to that concept. The concepts are given in the form of tables, charts, so that we can learn easily. Formats, you can see it is in this format. You only have to refer this copy before the exam. You don't have to refer the question answer copy. You can see the concepts are written in the form of charts, tables. It is a very nice copy and it is very helpful before the exam. This is the pattern of question answer copy. In this, all the questions are solved, which are made solved in the exam. In this, all the questions are solved which are given in the book, along with the proper exam presentation in the form of, you can see these long answers, conclusions. So there are 2 question answer copy and 2 concept copies. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more such useful videos.